students, today we all have learned about the reproduction chapter. In the previous session, we all have learned what is reproduction, types of reproduction. We all have detailed study about the asexual reproduction. Today we all have learned about tissue culture and sexual reproduction in plants. So first of all we learn about tissue culture. Tissue culture. Tissue culture. What is the tissue culture? Culture means to increase, किसी चीज को increase करना. Tissue culture, the production of plants on large scale by using the small parts of plants or initial of the plants is called tissue culture. The other term are used in the place of tissue culture is the micropropagation. Micropropagation. The production of thousands of plants by using a single cells of plants is called micropropagation. So in tissue culture process, a small piece of plants are used which are propagate artificially. During tissue cultures, various nutrients are used, that is fructose and growth hormones are also used in this process. Very short period of time, we find a large numbers of plants. And this process is known as tissue culture or micropropagation. The next topic is sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. The reproduction in which two gametes are fused, that is male gamete and female gametes, and by fusion a zygote are forms. The zygote develop as new young ones. This process is called sexual reproduction. The reproduction in which two gametes are fused, and after fusion a zygote is formed. Zygote develop as a new young ones. This is known as sexual reproduction. Importance of sexual reproduction. What are the importance of sexual reproduction? The sexual reproduction produce variations. The sexual reproduction produce variations, and The variation causes the new young ones, generation after generation, differ to their parents and develop as a new species. The sexual reproduction also helpful in the survival of the organism. It provides various ability to organism by which it cope to stress environments or stress conditions environments. So various importance of the sexual reproductions. Sexual reproduction is better than the asexual reproduction. Why? Because it produces variation which are necessary for the organism. Sexual reproduction in plant. In plants, the reproduction unit is flower. The flower is the reproduction units of plants. First, the flower. What is flower? The flower is the reproductive parts of a plant. Or in other words, the flower is the modified form of stems. Parts of flower. The flower composed of various parts, but the main parts of flower is number 1, receptacle. Second, calyx. Third, corolla. Fourth, endoecium. And fifth, gynoecium. Receptacles, number 1, receptacle, second calyx, and third corolla, fourth endoecium, and fifth gynoecium. These are the parts of the flower. The first part is the receptacles. Receptacles means a part of flower on which the various components of flower attach to each other. This is known as receptacles. Second is the calyx. It is the greenish and lowermost part of the flower. The leaf-like structures. It is a greenish and leaf-like structures. It forms the first whole of the flower. Means कैलिक्स जो है वो फ्लावर का फर्स्ट होल फॉर्म करता है और ग्रीन कलर का होता है. The calyx composed of numbers of petals. Numbers of petals. Corolla. It is the colorful parts of the flower. It forms the second whorl of the flower. Each unit of corolla is known as petals. the colorful parts this is the petal, and the petal form of whole petal known as corolla. Androecium. Androecium is the male part of a flower. It is also known as stamen. It is also known as stamen. It composed of mainly two parts, anther and filaments. Anther. This is the anther, and the cylindrical parts by which it connects to stem is known as filament. Filaments. The anther composed of sporangia, where spores are formed. The spores are known as pollen grain. The pollen grain is the male gametes which are formed in the anther. Gynoecium. It is the female parts of the flower. It is the female part of the flower. It is also known as pistil. In other words, it is known as the pistil. It differentiated into three parts. The topmost part is known as three parts. It is the stigma, the middle region is known as style, and the lower region, the swollen parts, this swollen part is known as ovary. Stigma, style, ovary. These are the three parts of the gynoecium. Three parts. The stigma provide platform for the landing for pollen grain. The style help in the transportation and transport male gamete to ovary region. The ovary composed of ovules. After fusion and fertilization, it converts into seed. Okay, today this is the main parts of the flower which take part in the reproduction. Calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. The corolla is found in the colorful forms in the non nectar plants because it helpful in the attraction of animals or insects by which the pollination takes place easily. कुछ है उमेश? कुछ है? बुलाने आए थे हमको बुलाने? अच्छा